everybody. We are out here at Black Hammock Island. We're gonna be throwing some down south lures. They came in, got a ton of them. It's very shallow and windy today, so we're gonna see what damage we can do. And I'll see you when I'm gonna pass these super shallow sandbars. See you. Alright guys, it's about like 50 degrees right now, I would say so. It's basically like our first winter day out here. It's very interesting. We went from hot to immediately cold. Yesterday it was like 80 degrees. Now it's super windy and super cold. And just to let you know, we are in a forest. So yeah, it's kind of windy. Had plans for Fort George, but that clearly will not do. And just wanted to say that. And I'll actually see you at the spot now. See you. All right, guys. So we have arrived to the spot. I'm gonna be choosing my old down south that I used to slay trout with all the time. And I used to shore fish. I'm dreaming of these kayaks actually. And this color is the Big Papa Pearl. I highly suggest this color. It's probably my favorite lure of all time. So we're just gonna put it through. Yeah. So Big Papa Pearl on. It is a little cold, so it's hard to record. So sorry if I'm adjusting my camera a lot. Probably gonna be using a chest mount from now on, not my neck mount, because I just don't like how it feels on here. Makes my videos kind of look crooked sometimes. Slow retrieves.
Retrieve as slow as you can.
You know, we're gonna be retrieving slow. It's a cold day. Cold, cold, cold. We kind of are here. And like, yeah, we're kind of in here in like a third of a foot. We did get fishing waders. Gonna be using them for now until I find some good pants, because it can get kind of risky when you're in deeper spots. But we're gonna be using these bad boys for now on, probably until I find some good pants, some good waterproof pants. I'm just gonna be doing a slow retrieval. Just gonna see what we can do. That should be good. Definitely gonna be using chest mount from now on. Just get a fish, come on. I think it's a little shallow for trout right now. Nope. There you go. Like the edge of that oyster bar right there. I might use I might put on some Procure. I think because the reds would go more crazy for them. I got some weird scupper plugs right there. I'm just using them temporarily. I took them off of my topwater kayak. I still have my old PDL kayak. It was my first ever kayak ever. My 106 I sold. I might take out my topwater kayak one day eventually. I just gotta find a time where I'm able to switch them on the trailer. I am running low on hooks, so who knows how I'm gonna be fishing today. I might have to use some bait just because I don't have jig heads, a ton of them. I like to use lures it's just more funner to me, in my opinion. Although sometimes the bait is just better. Probably a make a boat skiff 15. I want to get a good boat for our first boat. I'm not getting a 13 because my kayak is 13 feet here. So it'll be weird to have a boat that's 13 feet and a kayak that's 13 feet. Because we're mainly going to have like 3 people on it. Let's do one hand cast. I don't even know how I cast it like that. That was crazy. This wind is confusing my autopilot. I mean, like, as you can see, the wind pushes it, then it's trying to go this way and then the other way. Like, it's not a good day to spot lock, I guess. Might as well just take out the PDL to stay warm. Because when you're more active pedaling all the time, you stay more warm. You don't really have to let it sink. I'm using a 3/16 swim bait eye from Ice Strike Fishing. Very great hooks. I really suggest them. They also make really good weedless hooks if you're wondering. Definitely will buy some weedless. Yeah. I'm not getting no bites so far, so I'll see when I get a bite. Alright guys, throwing a dead shrimp and I got a bite. It's not running. Probably a little red or a catfish. It's a little red. It's just a baby. Oh boy, I'm fixing his neck. Energetic for sure. God. I'm just throwing shrimp because they are just not biting. I knew today was a good day to bring some shrimp. Sometimes during these super windy days, you're going in this way. Sometimes during super windy days, I just throw shrimp to just try to stay warm. Alright guys, we got one. It's a trout. In the boat. Oh, not in the boat. In the boat. Fishing. This is definitely undersized. I'm actually not even spot locking. Just chilling out here.
I would do what you're doing on the other side.
Yeah, that's good. Just out here chilling, casting a lure. Went to my trout spot. There we go. All right. Alright guys, trout number 2. Got him in. Let's go. This guy's kind of small.
Huh?
I said you're kind of small. A small little trout. I already know this is. Gotta keep her. This one's a male. It's croaking. Alright guys, I'm casting at that corner. I got 2 trout, so should be here. I am just doing a slow retrieve. Nothing too special. Also guys, I did want to thank you on all the support and all the comments, all the likes and subscribers and viewers. Just want to say thank you, because I cannot make this journey without you guys. And just wanted to say thank you for the support, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
I love this drop. This is my favorite drop. Yes, sir.
Alright guys, I'm out here getting ready to go home, and we just met these subscribers,
And if you need
Joe and Sherry Adventures. I just wanted to give them a shout out. Check out their channel. They're great people, great fishermen, and I'll see you next time.